Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to download music by iPhone, right? Do you know that by iPhone or not? Download the music. You know what? It's very simple. You go and download this application. You go on App Store. Then you type sound, make sound. Application called make sound. Right? You pay the download, then you open your application. What will pay the money on my? So miraona shaitika baba. Right? Oh, this is the Fefe Nicki Minaj. Fe. Wakuto download iyo. Waropedza iyo yapinda. Tumboseja maybe nezvekunze chete. Tumboseja tumboona kuti chapreza rivo icho chiripo anzi kutonga kwaro. Yey. Download Fe rikatumbonza kuti ari kuti chiko. Kure rikatokada. Ungati di iPhone music Fe free woshora. Maybe chapreza kuzikanwa tumbotikila titumboona. Mapopopo. Let me close the app. I've closed the app, then that's my Wi-Fi. See kuti inotanga zvinotorira nyangwe pasina internet connection. You see error, no internet connection. Then you go my downloads kwako. You see that, simple as that. Thank you for watching.